From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, August 25th. Well, this marks the last week of meteorological summer, and it's going to feel nothing like the season over the next 5 to 6 days. In fact, temperatures are going to generally be about 5 to 10 degrees below average through the rest of the week after today. And that rather cool and pleasant weather is going to stick around over Labor Day weekend. The good news that comes with that is with this cooler northwesterly flow that we have out of Canada, there really isn't going to be much in the way of rain or thunderstorms over the next 6 to 7 days. There may be a few showers Thursday night into Friday, but overall it's going to be a dry next 5 to 7 days. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at the GFS model for 2 p.m. on Thursday, and you'll notice that the high pressure system that was over the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic states on Wednesday has now moved into the western Atlantic, so winds will briefly turn southerly on Thursday behind that. You'll also notice this weak cold front diving southeastward from the Great Lakes region. European models in very good agreement here with the GFS, showing the same features in similar positions on Thursday. So Thursday itself looks like a partly sunny and pleasant day with low humidity, very similar to the next 2 days with dew points around 50 degrees and highs in the mid to upper 70s. Overnight lows Wednesday night and Thursday night will still be in the comfortably cool 50s, so it will be great for sleeping with the windows wide open. That front should sweep through the lower Susquehanna Valley on Thursday night or Friday. The GFS suggests that it comes through here on Thursday night. By Friday afternoon, it's already along or southeast of the I-95 corridor. The European model is a little bit different with this. It shows the front moving through a little bit later on Friday afternoon. So if that's the case, maybe there's a few more showers and thunderstorms around. But at this point, the Canadian model is more in line with the GFS. So I think the European model is a little bit over amplified and too intense with this system. So I would favor maybe a few showers late Thursday night into Friday morning, but by and large, most areas aren't going to get more than just a trace to a few hundredths of an inch of rain from this system. So Friday, in the event that this system does move through more quickly, it may just turn out partly sunny, breezy, and still pleasantly cool with highs in the mid to upper 70s. If the front does end up being slower like the Euro suggests, maybe there's a rumble of thunder around in the early afternoon, but again, I think that scenario is less likely than the faster frontal passage at this point. But either way you slice it, by Saturday, this large area of high pressure settles over the Great Lakes region and the Mid-Atlantic states on the GFS because the European model is a little bit slower with everything. That high pressure is still back over the Great Lakes region, but either way you slice it, Labor Day weekend looks like it's going to start on an absolutely beautiful note. There'll be a lot of sunshine out there. High temperatures locally should be in the mid-70s, maybe a few ticks higher at the beaches. So it is going to be great for last-minute vacations to the beach. It won't be as warm as it sometimes is on Labor Day weekend, but overall, you're not going to have to worry about any showers or thunderstorms around this weekend. By Sunday, the GFS suggests that high-pressure system is still basically right overhead, promoting mostly sunny and dry conditions. The Euro has that high back up over the Great Lakes region, but still, it's a sprawling high-pressure system, and the large-scale subsidence or sinking motion associated with it is going to thwart any precipitation. It's also going to create mostly sunny conditions as well. So just great conditions for Labor Day weekend. So as we take a look at the medium range Campus Weather Service forecast, partly sunny and nice on Thursday with low humidity, high 78, intervals of clouds and sunshine on Friday, and we will have that chance of a shower around, especially in the morning hours, high 78. Mostly sunny and pleasantly cool on Saturday, 75, and similar on Sunday with mostly sunny and pleasant conditions, highs again in the mid-70s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Tuesday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the dry and pleasant weather over Labor Day weekend.